Hey there guys, so I don't know if I ever mentioned this, but I really like to watch those computer hacking movies, and I think I've learned quite a lot from them. So I was thinking about maybe hacking into NASA and try to take over the Hubble Space Telescope. Now, from watching all of those movies, I figured out that you basically have to type on your keyboard so fast that the computer gets actually confused on what are you really trying to do. And yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to try today. But yeah, if you ask me on a scale from 1 to 10 if this is actually going to work, I would say maybe like a 2. But yeah, I figured since you all have a lot of time to spare, why not give it a try? And I got my keyboard already in front of me, so I'll just stretch my fingers a bit. And let's give this really a try now. Something is happening.
Warning, 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 warning.
Okay, that didn't work. I just need to get through one satellite so I can send commands to Hubble. So yeah, I'll try this again and type a bit faster this time. Okay, I think we might have a chance here. Oh, password. Let's try this.
Access granted. Hologram program activated.
Wait. Did that actually work? Okay, that looked pretty amazing, but now what? Okay, I think I got an idea. So what if I make a video with the Hubble telescope instead of my usual B-roll, and I'll put some nice music in the background, and hopefully you will like it. I just need to send some commands. And yeah, here we go. I was just dreaming. It's not like you can fly with the Hubble telescope through space like it's a spaceship. Okay, so it's getting dark, which means I better grab my gear and go set up. Okay, so I wasn't really planning on doing a video on imaging the Bode and Cigar galaxy, because I'm actually working on the Whale Nebula, but I have the same problem as I had on the last video, and that is that the nebula rises quite late in the night, so that's why I've been imaging the Bode and the Cigar galaxy, just to have my setup already prepared and running. So when the time comes that the target rises enough, I can just slew the mount there and start to image and don't waste any time. So yeah, I guess I'm not done with the galaxies yet. Now, just to give you some information, I already got over 7 hours worth of exposures on the Bode and Cigar galaxy, but only 4 hours of RGB and none of the H-alpha for the Whale Nebula. So the image is really not ready for presentation yet, plus the restrictions on going to a different, I forgot again,
municipality.
Going to a different city were removed here in Slovenia. I immediately started to plan a trip to a dark skies. I know that I said in one of the previous videos that I'm fearing going to a dark spot will just discourage me from imaging in my backyard, but I'm happy to say that I think that that's exactly what's happening. I'm just constantly finding excuses in my head that going to a dark skies is so much better. Anyway, all of the images I took from the Bode and Cigar galaxy were from my backyard, and I think that the image is turning out quite well, but it's such a noticeable difference. So yeah, I'm really glad that the movement restrictions are getting less strict, because that means that I can go to some different spots that I've planned already. I think I've picked some amazing places that you guys will enjoy to see, but as all things, of course, in astrophotography, it depends a lot on the weather. And since talking about weather, we had a short thunderstorm a few days ago, so I've captured some lightning strikes, bolts, which I always enjoy. I think that they are very exciting to image, but of course I still prefer clear skies, because despite of all the excitement, capturing light a few hundred to a few million light years away is by far my favorite thing to do. So yeah, I think I'll be better careful what I wish for. Okay, so I don't usually film this part of the night because I don't have much to say at this point, and I don't know about you guys, but I think that this is probably my favorite part, especially after a night that the weather played along very nice, and you know, you have some great data on your SD card, which means it was a very productive night. So despite that I'm quite tired, I just get a very cozy feeling when I look at the SD card. And I don't know, maybe I'm just talking nonsense right now. But yeah, anyway, I think that that's about it for this video, guys. I hope all of you are doing well. I would like to thank you for watching. I will see you again next time. Take care. Bye.